All right. I'm very excited today. Got this book. Michelle from the Creative Cove mentioned this book on her channel. It's really pretty. It has lots of roses in it. She was inspired to um, paint some watercolors, and I was inspired to go to her channel and buy a box of her stuff. But I hope I can do this without glare. This rose, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That inspired me to want to do a rosebud. So I don't know how I can set this. All right, I have this ribbon, and I'm going to try to put a bud right here because I can see a detached chain stitch right there. Problem is, I think I might need a bigger um, might need a bigger needle because this needle's not really big enough to make a big enough hole to go through the fabric. I want to go just that far. Well, that's not bad. All right. Now, I want to try to place it like this. I don't know if this is even possible. You might never see this this video because, you know. All right. Now, I need to pull it through this way. And you see this this ribbon is getting all wrinkled up already. What a shame. Oh. All right, I'm going to go through the end of this ribbon. Look at that. All right, now I need another stitch. I want to stitch over this way, like this. I think I can go through here. Yep, would you look at that? All right, I might have to kind of tack that down. All right, then the next stitch I want to do is going to go kind of from this side. And it sort of lands right about there. And it's a, looks like a detached chain stitch. You know what I might be able to do though? I might be able to do another straight stitch like the one that I just did. But I want the bottom to splay out a little bit better. Fiddly, fiddly, fiddly. All right, let's just try. Let's try. Ah. All right. Right there. Right there. All right. Let's do another one of those. Actually, yeah, okay. Let's do another one of those. I know this doesn't look anything like the picture, but I think it's going to look kind of cool. I want it right about there. Nice. Okay. Now what I need is I need to get some green. There's a stitch that Jennifer has in her book that's like a puff stitch with some green. All right, I have some green thread here. I'm gonna do a French knot. Oh, here comes boss saying, hey, you haven't given me any attention in at least 5 hours. Okay. All right. Yeah, baby. Yeah. You don't want that kind of attention. All right. All right. That's enough of that. That looks like a nice knot. Now, I'm going to go underneath right there. And I think I'm just going to go on top here. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. The problem though is that it's so dark. You can't really see I have a new microphone, so you might not hear any of that. That would be nice. Wouldn't that be nice? All right, I'm going to go right through the middle of this. Make sure I don't go through the ribbon in the back. Oh, nice. All righty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right. Next, I'm going to go right in there. Oh, I might be completely off screen and I might have no video to show to you. Oh my goodness, now the boss again. All right, let's go up along this edge. Right there. Nice. Let's go on the other edge. And this one, I want it to go. I want it to go out this way. Nice. All right, now I want one more right in the center. And the ribbon is starting to change color. So this is going to be the last one that I can do. This color. Nice. Oh, well, look at that. Would you look at that? All right. Now I want a stem. Let's just see if I can. Just want to twist it up. And maybe I can twist it and like couch it down. No, it has to just go. I think right about there. I can just barely get it back that way. That'll be okay. Yeah, okay. I'll have to couch that down a little bit. But anyways, it looks pretty nice, I think. I think. Bring you up. Shadows are bad because it's dark outside. But anyways, it's a nice little video. Okay, catch you later. Bye.